So there's never going to be another, right? So let's talk about your G-spot, right? It's important that you find your bit of genius. I can tell you I studied 52 geniuses, right? In detail. And I know, guess what? They're no different from you. They just found what they like to do, and they kept doing it. And they studied everything about it. They lived and breathed and found out what to do. If you want to be a great mother, or a great painter, or an artist, or a mechanic, or a doctor, they just studied and studied and studied and studied. And I tell you, statistically, it only takes 1 hour a day for 3 years to become the best in your country at what you do. If you study every day for 1 hour, for 3 years, you'll be the best in the country, or the top 10%. Within 10 years, you'll be a world expert. Easy, huh? 1 hour a day. Do it while the baby's asleep. All right, we'll find your G-spot. Don't worry. You've got to find it, right? And not for me, don't do it for me, I don't get paid. Right? Find it, and I'll tell you where it is. Really love it, and then share it, right? Like I have. I love to do this. I do it for nothing because I love it. I dream about it. It got me up last night at 2 o'clock to go through the slides. Because I love it. It's my little thing. It's my thing, right? And I don't care what anyone else does. It doesn't matter. It's for me, right? The world needs you, right? Let's have a look around, right? You're all educated, I can see. Einstein, right? Look at this room. What did Einstein design here? Nothing. Right? What about Archimedes, right? Nothing. What about Steve Jobs? Well, he did the phone, right? No, he didn't. That was his other guy. All right, hang on. So all these geniuses, these really smart guys, they don't affect your life at all, right? All of the really important things you do every day are done by people like you. It's people, the geniuses within the pack. It's the average girl, the average guy that's changing the world. It's not Plato or Socrates or Donald Trump. What you going to change? Hairstyle? But it's the average guy, right? It's you guys. You will come up with an idea that you love to do, and it will change the world. The coffee you drink, the food you eat, all designed by somebody with a dream. Not by a genius. Right? So don't think that you haven't got it. You've got it. It's in you. Right? You've got a G-spot. We just have to find it. Right? We'll find it tonight. So later on, have a look at my website. If you've got a pen, there's some notes, there's some additional things you can get. There's free videos, bits and pieces. There's some workbooks on my website and this link. And you can download that. It's all free. If you want this slide, it's free. You can have it. I don't care. We're recording it. I'll put it on my website. But what about Robert Williams? Right? He said we all have a spark of genius in us. We all have a spark of genius in us. And we must find it. Don't lose it, right? One of you is a singer. Someone's a dancer. Someone likes to paint. Someone likes to do weird things, right? That's okay. Weird's okay, right? So here's get ready, right? 5 seconds, I'm going to show you how to find it. in 5 seconds. No? There are 4 groups of things that we all do that some things really rub us up the wrong way. Some things we would do for nothing. Something we would die for. Some people are warriors, they're soldiers, they're football players. When I was in the military at a young age, I was prepared to die for my country. I think I might grow out of that. Right? But that was it. I was prepared to go and take a bullet for people I didn't even know. But that's what people do, right? So, there are a group. Gary, this is Gary. Thanks, Gary. He's handing out a little, this form, right? So you don't have to memorize it. But I want you to capture on the back of this form your G-spot will come out, right? So there's some things that you would rather die than do, or eat broken glass, or crawl over broken rocks to do. There are some things that you already know that you've always struggled with, right? They want me to do it. I had a job like this, it didn't work, I don't like it, I can't do it. Some things I could do if I really wanted to, but I'd much rather someone else do it. In fact, I fall asleep when I have to do it. They ask me to do it, I fall asleep. And there's stuff that's easy, it's difficult for others, but I enjoy it, and I help others do it. My friend here is an IT expert. I guarantee you fix other people's computers. You fix other people's... Do you? No? You're in the wrong job. But people who would love IT, fix your laptop, right? You know who they are, right? You say, oh, I got a problem with my thing, I can't fix it, right? These people love it. Well, you just in time for the exam. Sit up and fight for it. Okay, so let's flesh this out, right? Let's make a bit more detail. These things, they scare you, like level 1 things, right? Too difficult for me. I get sick from the smell. Some people love to pick up garbage or empty the sewage. They don't mind the smell. It doesn't bother them, right? Fishermen don't care the smell of fish. They love it, right? But some people don't like it. It's too physically hard. You probably wouldn't want to chop trees for a living. Right? You don't look like a wood chopper. Maybe you do, right? But that's not something that would suit you. Other guys, bigger guys, like to chop trees. They can chop them all day. We all have a design, one unique thing, right? You've got to be different about it, right? So there's other things that people do that you've tried and you've hated it. You know, what often happens is we finish school, right? We finish school and we're not sure, we do a studying something, and then we follow the crowd, our friends, the guys we drink with or we party with. They say, you know what, there's a job down the road and you know, there's something we could try that. Or Mum said I should try this, or Dad asked me to do this. So we go ahead and follow along. I did that. I did that for 30 years. I did a job that someone else wanted me to do for 30 years. I joined the military because someone else thought it was a good idea. So this is one of those things that you have to go at, and after a while you realise you suck at it, right? You're not good at it. It's too technical, it keeps changing. You don't have a pen, I can write it. So there's experts in this area, but they seem a bit strange, right? These are people that, in this group, you wouldn't go out and you'd say, look, I know 5 guys who do this job and I want to go out partying with them. Maybe not, right? Maybe they're boring. The other ones, I've done a bit of this stuff. The company has put me on a course, and I did it, and I slept through it. I wouldn't spend my own money on it, huh? I wouldn't spend. Some people wouldn't spend money to come to this, and some would, right? Some would already think they're waiting for the clock to go so they can get out. That's fine. And this now, now we're talking about this important, right? This is the group for you to think about. Somewhere in your life, you have done something, even though Mum said, come on, it doesn't pay. Dad said, nobody makes a living from that. In fact, I don't even know anybody who does that. But you've done it for nothing, right? Or you'll help somebody with the gardening, or the painting, or the internet, or fixing their clothes. You love dressing up. You love helping sick people. Each one of us has a purpose, right? Now don't let anybody else tell you what that is, but you already know, but you may not know that you know. You get that? You may know, but you may not know that you know. You may have clouded it over with everybody else's thinking. As a child, you probably dreamt about this. You probably dreamt about racing in a race car, or playing golf for a living, or being a triathlete, or flying an aircraft, or sculpting, or running nude down the road, whatever it is that you dreamt about, right? So you dreamt it again and again, right? As I said, I knew I loved to tell stories when I was a young boy, but I couldn't write. I failed English. I failed English at year 2 and at year 3, and at high school I failed English. I couldn't write books to save myself. I couldn't even read. Now I've written 20 books. We're in a new age, right? It's not about writing, it's about telling stories. If you could tell me 5 world experts you already know, experts in this area, because you think, geez, I wish I was like her. I wish I could dance like him. I wish I could do what that guy does. Fly aircraft or paint. The how is easy, right? It has never been so easy. You know, I walked down the street the other day, there's a lady who does the garbage on her iPhone, watching a video on how to cook. It's incredible, right? My son is 5, he can tell you about quantum physics. He said, Dad, I want to tell you how germs work in the body, in the human body. I said, hang on, let me Google it. All right, go ahead, son. He knows at 5, we are in a new world. You want to learn how to paint, you want to learn how to sculpt, you want to learn how to do anything. It's never been so easy. The how is here. The why is in you. And don't forget, the book of life has many chapters, right? So what is your purpose today might change a little bit. And for the ladies, you can't deny that you're a lady, right? It's just not out of it. You're going to have children, most possibly, right? Some don't, but most do. So you will go through a phase of your life where your first order of business is being a mother. You can't get out of that, right? Men, we are not gifted with that. We miss out. It's very sad. It all ends in 3 minutes for us. But when we get to carry the baby, nurture the baby, share the blood, share everything with that child, men, we don't get any of that. We just get changed the nappy. Come on. It smells. We don't get it because it's not part of us. So women have this phase, right, that you will go into and out of. But don't forget, the plot of your book is bigger than just one chapter. Right? So you may already be doing this as a hobby. You may be reading about it. You may have read about it today. You may have searched on the internet. If this guy talks too long, I'm going to go and catch up with my friends and talk about this thing. Because maybe you already do. You already know. I know this 100%. But maybe you don't know that you know. Or you're not honest with yourself. If you are to be happy, you must... What happened there? Wrong road. So when you do this, in the Tao, in the Tao Te Ching, has anybody read about the chant from Confucius, no? The Tao Te Ching, the art of the way. When you're in a flow state, you will know sometimes you've done something. And suddenly time stood still. Everything just, how did that happen? Athletes, when they hit the Olympic gold or when they do something, I've had this when I've been on stage sometimes, or when I'm doing something, everything just goes into this new locked time state. And I've got all the time in the world. But before I had none. And the Tao Te Ching talks about being in the flow. This is, you've already had this experience possibly before. Something has happened. And you've done something and you felt, wow. That's it. That's the thing. It's in there somewhere. It's in there. So you have a little list now, right? So I'm asking you to do two things today. Because I promised to you that I'll help you find your G-spot. And I'll promise to you that if you just commit and do one thing every day, you'll find it and you'll bring it to life. So on that little bit of paper right now, I want you to turn it over and list. Have a look at this one. Just have a look. This is for you. Just for you. I don't care. Nobody else needs to know. Have a little look. Write down some things here. Just brainstorm it and give them a 1 or a 4, right? What are you doing in your office, in your home? What do I do? Oh, I wash the dishes. That's definitely a 1. I mow the lawn. Well, that's a 1 also. I feed the dog. I can do that. That's a 3. So just give it a 1 to 4. Something. We're looking for a 4 to come out, right? We don't need all 4s. We just need something. So take 2 minutes. Just have a look. And if you don't have to do it now, but I hope that you can think of something now. And if you can't think of something that you love to do, think of something you really hate to do. Right? Because it has an opposite. Right? There's an opposite to that. I really, really hate this. There's an opposite. So what's the opposite to what you really hate? And just write that down. Just take a minute to do